Hello, today I'm gonna talk about these Humalog kwikpens and what's the difference between the regular Humalog kwikpen and the Humalog kwikpen Mix25. There aren't big difference, but if you are using Humalog kwikpen and for some reason you have this one, I don't know, family member used or what, and when it's empty you can use this, but you need to know something about it. It's not like clean regular Humalog. It's with some, I don't know what's inside it, but what you need to do is you need to mix it. There are some stuff in it what doesn't evaporate in it, and you need to mix it like 5-10 minutes. 5 is minimum, and then you can use it. But the only difference of this and this is made for fast sugar level to it's made going too fast down sugar level in blood, but this is meant for not too slow but slower than this. So if you have this and some reason you forgot to order it more, this kwikpens or something, you can use this, but be careful. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can use it. Personally, I don't use it. Somehow I got this. I have family members who has diabetes too, but I usually use this because it's quicker and easier. So what you have to do is basically it's super white, and this empty one, you can see a little bit in it. There's small amounted. Okay, focus. But it looks like this. It's clear, crystal clear. You can see even through it, like water. But here looks like salt water, because there are some chemicals in it. You must mix it, shake it. Don't shake it, just like move around. And when you're done this, like 5-10 minutes, minimum 5, I would recommend 10 to it mix very good, because it doesn't melt in it. If you put like this and it would stay, all those chemicals what's inside is, they just settle in at the bottom, and you again must mix it. So basically, if you're a starter, I'm gonna show how to put it on this needle on. It's very easy to do it. You must have one of these. This one is 4 millimeters. It's too small for me. Here, I use 8 millimeters because I have thicker skin. It's no, yeah. So basically, what you wanted to do is take this paper off. It's glued on, and there you see the needle inside part, which gonna go inside here, and there are the soft pillow, that when you penetrate it and their liquid isn't coming out, you can stab it multiple times. It won't go out, because there are some fabric, I don't know what it is. this orange thing in the middle. So basically, when you rip off the paper, you have this. This is seal to, yeah, and then you put just like this on. I have one hand, so basically I'm gonna try. Years of experience, but okay. So you screw it on like, I don't know, on bottle cork or something. And we have some problems. Okay. I have pushed it a little harder in it. To start, I'm gonna push. And it went in. And you can't go in a... You can... you just don't over tighten, because it will be a mess to get off, and just snap it that off. It's just a seal, and you can throw it out, this too, and you have that's like this needle. So basically, now we have almost ready to do what you need to do. So basically, when you have the needle on, screwed, like on bottles, something like that, you just pop it out, the cork, be careful of course, and there it is. It's super small, there's nothing almost. Focus please. Okay, this is best focus I can get, I think. Come on, focus. Okay, it's short, very short, only 4 millimeters, less than half centimeter, less than quarter of inch. So when you have it, I'm gonna do it with one hand, but you hold it with one hand and tap it like this on the side. I don't know, just do it because of there are air bubbles in it, and you must go tap it to. They are so small they can catch on the sides of the capsule. So just tap it to those bubbles go up, and just let it out some 1, 2 or 3 out, and then it's so hard. Okay. Boo. So when you let it out, there aren't any bubbles, and you're ready to yeah. So basically, this is the Humalog Mix25. I wouldn't recommend it if you don't use, of course. If your doctor said you how to use it, okay, of course use it. But from the start, my doctor recommended this one, and I'm using. Of the start, I had metal ones who were like block of iron, but I didn't like them, and then I started to use these ones. I had one in plastic, and you just like this, and you could change the cartridges too, those insulins, and it was very handy, and I liked, but yeah, just tired of that, so I just started. Okay, never mind. I start to use this, to use this. I'm sorry, I'm not English. So yeah, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use one of these, and of course this is my ninth Lantus Solar. Oh, focus, nice. And do you see there are air bubbles in it? We'll tap it a bit. See, and they go up. And when you do go up, I'm just gonna take it off. It really hurts when you stab with a short needle. It's uncomfortable. Yeah. So tap it. I will take like 2. Maybe you will see it here going on. See? and now it's insulin going out. I pressed like 2 and only air were going out, and there may go out some foam too, because that foam is the same insulin and air bubbles rushing out and making so much bubbles that it looks like foam, and of course it is some kind of foam, I don't know. So basically, yeah, if I helped you anyhow, leave in the comments something, say, I don't know, do a like, dislike, I don't even care. I just want to help, so yeah, bye.